Good morning, students. As we have already discussed the various accounting treatment that are to be done at the time of admission of a new partner, that once again I am just repeating all the adjustments that we have already discussed in the various videos. First was to calculate the new profit sharing ratio, then is to calculate the sacrificing ratio, treatment of goodwill, distribution of reserves and profits, and adjustment of losses, and preparation of revaluation account. And then in the last video we have discussed the adjustment of capital. Now in this video I will show you the various board based question that are to be asked in the board exam, how you will solve the questions. And this question at present that I am solving this year only, it is asked in the board exam of 8 marks question. You just see the question and then you see the solution. First is question is like this: Badal and Bijli were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet was as at 31st March 2019 was as follows. See, this is the balance sheet. In the liability side, capital of Badal and Bijli is given, altogether 2,40,000. Badal current account, if it is mentioned in the current account is specified, that means ki this firm follows the fixed capital method. And Badal current account, this is a credit balance because it appears in the liability side, that is 12,000. Investment fluctuation reserve, that is 24,000. Bills payable 8,000. Creditors 26,000. Now come to the asset side. Building 1,50,000. Investment, that is 73,000. Stock 43,000. Debtors 20,000 and cash 22,000. Here Bijli's current account is in the asset side, it means it is a debit balance 2000. So this is what the position of balance sheet on that particular date. And one new partner, that is Rana, was admitted on the above date as a new partner on 1/6 share in the profit of the firm. And the terms of agreement was as follows. What are the terms and conditions? One is Rana will bring rupees 40,000 as her capital. Okay, and capital of Badal and Bijli will be adjusted on the basis of Rana's capital and by opening current account. As in the previous video, I have discussed the two cases when adjustments are made on the new partner's capital, and second case was when new partner's capital is not given and you have to find out what he should bring as a capital into the firm. So this is the first case, based on first case, and if there is any excess or short, it will not be shown by involving cash account. How you will show it? That is by opening current account. Now come to the second term. Rana will bring his share of premium for rupees 12,000 in cash, means it is a premium case. He is bringing the goodwill in cash. Third, the building was overvalued by 15,000. As I already discussed, if overvalued is there, you have to reduce the value of building by 15,000. And again, stock is also overvalued, then you have to reduce it by 3,000. Next is provision of 10% was to be created on debtors for bad debt. This is the case of increasing the liability. That means you have to calculate the 10% of debtors. Here debtor is given 20,000. 10% of debtor is 2,000. That increase the liability. So see the, and this in this question you did not have to prepare balance sheet. Simply you just show the revaluation account and current and capital account of Badal, Bijli and Rana. See, if it is said ki you have to show the current account, then all the factor that lead to change the capital, that all items will appear in the current account. And in the capital account, only the sorry, opening capital and the balances, if any additional capital is drawn or whatever, you just see. It is of 8 marks question, and how the step marking is done in the board exam, that also you just see the way how the question, how you will show the solution. Revaluation account, that all 3 items will appear in the debit side. Why, you know well, because these 2 building and stocks were overvalued. Now you have to decrease it by 15,000 and 3,000, and this liability is increasing by 2,000, so increases in liability appears in the debit side of the revaluation account. And there is no item of credit, so simply you just balancing figure is coming in the credit side of 20,000, and that will be distributed among the old partners in the old ratio, that is 12,000 to Badal and Bijli 8,000. So this is of 2 marks. Half of marks is given for each treatment, and then half marks for distribution of loss. So you just be careful while each and every steps the marks are given. So this revaluation, it carries the 2 marks. Now come to the next account, capital account. Opening capital in the credit side by balance BD, Badal 1,50,000, Bijli 90,000, and Rana is bringing cash as a capital in a cash, by cash it is mentioned, written in the Rana's account 40,000. And in this side, see, there is a adjustment of capital also, and this is worked out here. You have to find out the capital according to the new partner's capital. Then what are the way to find out? First, 40,000 into, at what share he is coming, on 1/6 share. That means you just reciprocal of his shares will be 6 by 1. It means the total capital of firm will be how much? 2,40,000, and this 2,40,000 is distributed in new ratio, that is 1,20,000, 80,000 and 40,000. This should be the capital of new firm, because these adjustments are made on the basis of new partner. And while comparing the credit balance with the debit balance, this 30,000 is the excess capital of Badal. So Badal will withdraw this money, but now it is to be shown by opening the current account. So it is open Badal current account 30,000. Have you got how this 30,000 is coming? While comparing the credit balance 1,50,000 minus 1,20,000, that difference 30,000 is shown by opening the current account. Similarly, for Bijli also, 90,000 is in the credit side, and in the debit side it is coming 80,000. It means 10,000 is the excess amount, and it is represented here by opening current account, that is Bijli's current account. So first you will prepare the capital account, and excess or deficit whatever is coming, it will be transferred to current account, because it is specifically stated that you have to show this by opening the current account. If it would not be like this, if it is what mentioned that by opening cash account, then simply you will involve your cash to cash to cash. But according to the question, you just open the current account. Now see the current account. As in the balance sheet, one Badal's balance is the credit balance, that is it is appearing in the liability side, so it is a credit balance, and Bijli's is the debit balance, because the balance is mentioned in the asset side. So first you have to write which one is having credit balance and which one is having debit balance, and that revaluation loss is transferred to the debit side of the current account, because it is item of current account, so it is transferred. And that premium brought in by the new partner Rana is distributed among the old partner, sacrificing partner that is 7,200, 4,800. And see here, investment fluctuation reserve, there is no changes in the market value of investment, so directly this reserve is transferred to the credit side of the current account in their old ratio, that is 14,400, 9,600. And this current account balance that already we have calculated, this is transferred to the credit side of the current account. It is coming from Badal's capital account 30,000 and Bijli's capital account 10,000. So this atom 30,000 and 10,000 is transferred from capital to current. And then again the balance CD of both the balances is coming in the CD is coming in the debit side. Now again both balances is the credit balance. So if it is will be asked to prepare the balance sheet, then this 51,600 and 14,400 will appear in the liability side of the balance sheet. Now the Bijli's debit balance is also converted into credit balance. So in this question, see the marking scheme. This capital account, for this capital account 2.5 marks is granted, and for current account 3.5 marks. So this way you will get the 8 marks, and here the balance sheet is not asked. So if it is not asked, then no need to make a balance sheet. Unnecessary, you will waste the time. While evaluating the copy, we found that even most of the students have prepared the balance sheet also. But in question it is clearly mentioned that you have to prepare only revaluation account, current account and capital account. So this is the latest question of 2020 March. This question is asked, so I just displayed this with the solution and explanation too, and please solve this question in your accounts copy. Now move to the next example. One more question let me discuss here. Question is like this. This is again based on the adjustment of capital by opening current account. There is one question, Charu and Harsha were partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. On 1st April, their balance sheet was as follows. What are the balance liabilities? Creditor 17,000, general reserve 4,000, workman compensation fund, here it is mentioned 9,000, investment fluctuation fund 11,000, provision for bad debt, here it is appearing in the liability side 2,000, capital of both the partner Charu and Harsha 30,000, 20,000, that is 50,000. Now come to the asset side. Cash balance 6,000, debtors 15,000, investment 20,000. And you must see that investment fluctuation fund only will appear if there is a asset investment is given in the balance sheet. So investment 20,000, plant 14,000, land and building 38,000. This is the position of balance sheet on particular date, and on the above date Vaishali was admitted for 1/4 share in the profit of the firm. What were the term and conditions? Vaishali will bring 20,000 as her capital and 4,000 for her share of goodwill premium. All debtors were considered good, means there is no bad debt. Market value of investment was rupees 15,000. It means investment book value, here it is mentioned 20,000, and now it is reduced by 5,000, and this 5,000 will be compensated from investment fluctuation fund. So please take care, 5,000, if out of 11,000 5,000 is adjusted due to change in the market situation, that is a loss in the market, then only 6,000 will be distributed among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Now the next one, there was a liability of 6,000 for workman compensation, and workman compensation fund is 9,000, and there is a claim from the worker, that is 6,000. So 9,000 minus 6,000, that 3,000 only will be distributed among the partners in their old ratio, and this claim for liability, that is you have to deduct from the fund. And what capital account of Charu and Harsha are to be adjusted on the basis of Vaishali's capital by opening current account. And what you have required to prepare? Only the revaluation account and partners capital account. So see the solution. Revaluation account, only one item is appearing because all the daters are good. What do you mean by all the daters are good? Means there is no need of this provision for bad debt, that is appearing in the liability side. So it is decreases in liability, so it is coming in the credit side. And there is no changes in the value, and this investment is related to investment fluctuation fund, so it will affect only the partners capital account. So this 2,000 is distributed, it is a profit and distributed among the Charu and Harsha in their old profit sharing ratio, 1200 and 800. Now see the partners capital account. Both the capitals of Charu and Harsha in the credit side, general reserve distributed in old ratio, and Vaishali is coming with the capital 20,000, so it is mentioned by cash 20,000 in the Vaishali's column. And premium for goodwill is distributed among the Charu and Harsha in their sacrificing ratio. And this workman compensation fund, that I already explained, how much is remained? 3,000, because out of 9,000, 6,000 was the claim. So remaining 3,000 is distributed among the workers in their old ratio. And similarly for investment fluctuation fund also, that I already discussed, out of 11,000, 5,000 is adjusted due to loss in decreases in the value in the market. And remaining how much? Out of 5, 6,000, that 6,000 is distributed among the partners in their old ratio. So this is what the item appears in the credit side. And see, after adjustment of capital, after adjustment of capital, that is on the basis of new partners capital, this adjustments are made. A capital should be 36,000 and 24,000. So while comparing, the 41,400 was the capital and it should be now 36,800. This is what the adjusted capital is, 41,400, and capital should be according to the new partners capital 36,000. So that differences, excess money 5,400 is transferred to the current account. As per the question, it is said you just transfer the balance to the current account. And similarly in case of Harsha, his adjusted capital is 27,600, and according to new partners capital, his capital should be 24,000. Then this excess money 3,600, that is the difference between 27,600 minus 24,000, that is 3,600 is transferred to current account. So if you want to see the working note, you just see here, it is mentioned. It is mentioned here how all the datas are good, and see how the capital, new capital is calculated. That in the previous video I have already discussed. Take the capital of new partner and raise the capital, that is reciprocal of new partner shares, into 480,000. And this Charu's capital, new share you just take it, new share ratio here it is mentioned, 3 by 4 is the new share, so 36,000, 3 by 4, that is the new ratio is calculated here. Better you calculate separately the new shares, and then you remaining share 1, let the total share of partner be 1 minus 1 by 4, remaining share is 3/4 into 3 by 5 and 3/4 of 2 by 5, and then you calculated the new capital, and this will be transferred to the capital account, and while comparing you will get the excess or deficit. And this is what about the adjustment. I said 20,000 was the market book value of the investment. It is reduced by 15,000, means 5,000 is the loss loss set off by this fund. Then out of 11,000, 5,000 is adjusted, so this 6,000 is distributed. Simply in case of similarly in case of workman compensation fund, this 3,000 is distributed among the old partners in the old ratio. So this is what we have discussed. The second case, how you will solve the questions and how you will draw the format, how you will show the working note, that is equally important. And for step marking, you have to show the working note also in a proper, neat and clean way. Now next few more cases let me discuss. See, one more questions is there. This question. See, A, B and C are partner in a firm sharing profit in 3:2:1. Okay, and their balance sheet was as follows: creditor 84,000, general reserve 21,000, their capital 60, 40, 20,000 of A, B and C 1,20,000. Bank balance 17,000, debtors 23,000, stock 1,10,000, investment 30,000, furniture and fitting 10,000, machinery 35,000. And see, in this question the capital of new partner is not given. You have to find out what he should bring as a capital into a firm. On the above date, D was admitted as a new partner, and it was decided that new profit sharing ratio will be 2:2:1:1. Okay, it means this new ratio is already given, and the goodwill is of the firm was valued at 90,000, and D brought his share of goodwill premium in cash. Means out of 90,000, you have to find out 1/6 of, because D is coming on 1/6 share. So 90,000, 1/6 of 90,000 he is bringing as a share of his goodwill, and market value of investment is 24,000, and here the investment is 30,000. So just it is decreasing. Machinery is reduced by 29,000 by and to 29,000. So it means ki for what value it is reducing. Machinery here given 35,000 and 229,000 means by 6,000 it is, by 6,000 it is reducing. That I already explained the meaning if by is mentioned and if to is mentioned. So 2 means that present value of machinery is 29,000. So it reduced by 6,000. And creditor of 3,000 was not likely to claim the amount and hence to be written off. It means this is a decreasing in the liability, means creditor is decreasing. And D will bring proportionate capital as to give him 1/6 share in the profit of the firm. So this is what the second case means. A new partner's capital is to be calculated on the basis of old partner's capital. So here you have to prepare evaluation account, capital account and the balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. This is a board based question. See, here the revaluation account shown, two items of both are decreasing. So decreases in the value of assets appears in the debit side. Creditor, that is decreases in creditor means decreasing in liability. So it is coming in the credit side by 3,000, and while comparing the balance, balancing figure coming in the credit side, so it is a loss of 9,000 and it is distributed among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio among A, B and C, that is 4,500, 3,000 and 1,500 respectively. Now this is the revaluation account. Now see the capital account. Capital account, capital account, see here all the four column you have to make in both the side because there are four partners and three partners are the old partners A, B and C. BD is here written 60,000, 40,000, 20,000 and this general reserve appearing in the liability side is distributed among the old partners in old ratio 10,500, 7,000 and 3,500. And C, goodwill is only given to A. Can you tell me the answer? Because A is only sacrificing due to coming of a new partner. So all the goodwill that brought by the D, that is 15,000 is given to A only. Okay. And he is bringing, and this working note, how this his capital is coming, that we will see in the working note, how to calculate the capital of D. First you prepare the capital of, find out the closing capital or adjusted capital of A, B and C. So this is what the item appear in the credit side and this loss is transferred from revaluation in the debit side. So after comparing the debit and credit balance, adjusted capital of A is 81,000, B 44,000 and C 22,000. Okay, so this first you have to do and then now come to the adjustment and see as why goodwill is given to A. Here it is mentioned, while calculating the gain and sacrifice, only A is sacrificing. So as 1/6 share of 90,000, D's goodwill is 15,000 and this 15,000 will be paid to only A because A is only sacrificing. Now see how the combined capital of old partners 81,000, 44,000. So first you have to calculate the adjusted capital, sum the capital of all partners and total capital of new firm. As how you will calculate, that I already explained. If a new partner is coming on 1/6, so out of, suppose the total share of firm is 1, okay, and 1 minus 1/6, what is the remaining share? 5/6. Here the reciprocal of the combined share of old partner, that is 6/5. So capital of new firm is 1,76,400. So this is the step that we have already discussed. First you have to sum the capital, adjusted capital of old partners and then the remaining share, you just reciprocal of the remaining share is 6/5. That is new capital you will get 1,76,400 and 1/6 of 1,76,400 will be the D's capital, that is 29,000. So this is what he brought into the firm. Here see 29,400 in his credit side, D's column, and this will be the new capital of D. And then you prepare the balance sheet. General reserve already distributed, only creditors is coming because how much creditor was given, that is reduced by 3,000. And new capital of all the four partners 81,000, 44,000, 22,000, 29,400. And see here bank balance. Bank earlier the balance was 17,000 and 50,000 he is bringing as a goodwill and 29,400 as a capital, and that ultimately leads to total bank balance 61,400. Debtors no change 23,000, stock 1,10,000, investment that is reduced, So 24,000 fitting and furniture and fitting 10,000, machinery is also reduced 29,000, and this way you will prepare the new balance sheet. Whatever the changes is taking place, accordingly the value of assets will change or a value of liability will change. Otherwise, if it remained unchanged, similarly you just write the same value in the new balance sheet. So this is what we have discussed, the various cases, various numericals based on the chapter admission of a new partner. Now it's your work to solve all the questions first from the NCERT book, and then you solve the question from the side book, whatever side book if you have, suppose SC Sarma if you are having, TS Garewal if you are having, TK Goel if you are having, but please attempt only those questions which are having 4 or 5 adjustments, not more than that, because that are the pattern of board questions, and I already explained you how the board questions will be asked. And please check the timing also, how much time you are taking to solve one questions, because question of 8 marks hardly you will get 15 minutes to solve the question. So you just keep on practicing. If you are solving any question from admission of a partner within 15 minutes, then your speed is okay, otherwise it need more practice. Okay, thank you so much, take care.